Welcome to this platform for Ingenuity Tuition Center. Now we want to answer 2025 GCE Science Paper 1. So we are going to start with section B. So this is question 1 of section B. As you can see, this was a very simple question. I remember answering something like this with my students before they were going into the exam. So the question says, figure B1.1 shows the main parts of measuring instruments found in a laboratory labeled as A and B. So we have A and B there, we have instrument A and instrument B. The first question says, name instruments A and B. So let's start with instrument A. Now this is very simple. What could be the name of instrument A? You are right. Instrument A is actually a micrometer screw gauge. You can see the sleeve scale there. There's the sleeve and then there's the thimble there. So this is actually a micrometer screw gauge. And then this instrument B here, this is a vernier calipers. You can see the main scale there and the vernier scale. So this is a vernier calipers, this is a micrometer screw gauge. So A is what we call a micrometer screw gauge. And then B is a vernier calipers, right? So a micrometer screw gauge is simply an instrument that is used to measure short lengths. For example, it could be the thickness of hair, the thickness of this sheet of paper. Okay? For us to find or measure the thickness of this sheet of paper, we would have to use a micrometer screw gauge. Alright? But then with a vernier calipers can be used to measure lengths like the internal diameter of an object, the external diameter, etc. So, which physical quantity is measured by instruments A and B? Of course, both of them are measuring lengths, alright? We've said this one is used to measure short lengths, like the thickness of hair, alright? So the physical quantity that is being measured by both A and B is length. If you're a GCE candidate writing next year 2026 and you are understanding what I'm explaining, please click the link above to join our WhatsApp group. So, which instrument is most suitable to measure the thickness of a razor blade? Alright, let me see your answers for this one in the comment section.